Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of JDBC drivers. So if you're a Java developer looking to understand JDBC drivers, you're in the right place. Let's start by understanding the four types of JDBC drivers specified by JDBC specifications, each offering unique features and considerations for connecting to databases. First, we have Type 1, the JDBC-ODBC bridge driver. This driver uses the JDBC-ODBC bridge to connect Java applications to databases via ODBC. While it offers compatibility with legacy systems, it's platform-dependent and considered obsolete for new development. Next, Type 2, the native API partly Java driver. This driver leverages native database APIs along with Java code. It provides better performance than the JDBC-ODBC bridge, but still relies on platform-specific libraries, limiting portability across different operating systems. Moving on to Type 3, the Network Protocol All Java driver, also known as the middleware driver. This driver uses middleware to convert JDBC calls into a database-independent network protocol. It offers portability and database independence, but introduces additional complexity due to middleware configuration. Now, let's dive into Type 4, the Native Protocol All Java driver, also known as the thin driver. This driver is a pure Java implementation that communicates directly with the database server using a database-specific protocol. This driver type is highly recommended for modern Java applications due to its efficiency and platform independence. All you have to do is have the corresponding database jar file in your project. Let's look at a code snippet demonstrating how to use a Type 4 driver, such as the MySQL connector, to connect to a MySQL database. In this example, we're using the driver manager.getConnection method to establish a connection to a MySQL database. The JDBC URL specifies the database connection details, including the database server address, port, and database name. Ensure your project class path has MySQL connector java.jar. In order to connect to a different database, for example, Oracle database using a JDBC thin driver in Java, you will need to use the appropriate JDBC driver provided by Oracle and OJDB.jar in your project class path. This revised code snippet shows the same. Understanding JDBC drivers is essential for Java developers working with databases. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative Java tutorials and tech content. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.